We're always told to trust our doctors, like they're there to help you. Like, why would they lie to us? But in reality, doctors sometimes aren't as honest as they say in their oath. Especially with pediatricians, like as parents, they want the best doctors for their child, making sure they get the best recommendations, best treatment. And unfortunately for Dr. Yasser Awaad patients, they did not get this care. For anyone unfamiliar with him, he was a pediatrician neurologist in Dearborn, Michigan, who ended up running an EEG mill and just misdiagnosing like over 150 children just for his financial gain. But how did he get here? What led to this point? To start off, he was born in Egypt in 1954. For the most part, it seemed like from articles I've read, like there's not a lot about his childhood. In the 1980s, after graduating from Al Azhar University, he came to the United States to practice not only medicine but to have a better life for himself. He received his medical license in the state of Michigan in 1994. And then for about a year, he had residency in DMC Children's Hospital. Oakland Hospital and Medical Center hired Dr. Yasser and was actually the first pediatric neurologist. And less than 5 years there were already red flags, starting off with his abnormal amount of EEG testing requests. In 2003, a whistleblower came out and exposed Dr. Yasser Awaad as a man that no one ever thought would be so cruel. He made many of the children take medications along with like doing sleep deprivation trials. It was discovered that Dr. Yasser Awaad would take a 50% bonus from all his medical billings. A lot of the EEG testing was either underperformed or misinterpreted, but either way, like he wanted the money, so he just went along with these lies and told these families what he wanted them to hear so he can get money at the end of it all. Yasser Awaad left Oakland Hospital in 2006 to go to Saudi Arabia to participate in a pediatrician center there. He claims it was due to contract issues and nothing to do with the allegations against him at the time. Between like early 2000s to like 2016, 2017, he had over 200 lawsuits against him. In 2012, he eventually had to pay a $10,000 fine. 3 years later, after EEG training, he was hired at Beaumont Hospital as a consultant. By 2017, Doctor and Beaumont Hospital cut ties, like they barely had any communications with him. And then in 2019, he was ordered to pay a $3 million settlement. In 2020, the Michigan Medical Board agreed to it. And then a year later, Dr. Yasser Awaad lost his medical license and had to pay a $5,000 fine. Throughout all this, Oakwood Hospital and Beaumont Hospital stood by Dr. Yasser's side, saying that they trust his findings and they would have no reason for him to lie. Brian McNean from McNean and Associates was happy with the settlement, saying that while it does not repair the damages, it does hold Dr. Yasser accountable.